Theoretically, dog, we're cutting up the fenders. See,
There's not even a single piece on this body kit that was cast gray.
come here, friend.
Doing something, guys.
We got the angry acorn, right? Angry acorn widebody
I
kit.
think there's something in here.
Finally arrived.
I need the knife again.
They're staples.
Oh yeah, well no, I think they pulled out the top staples already.
Oh, it wasn't even taped. I'm just.
Wow, look guys, professional unboxing video.
I haven't even gotten into it.
Maybe we should let the person that owns this unlock
I
it.
took one fender out and I got very excited. There you go. Bro,
That's your whole wide body. Ooh! Yeah!
Wow.
Yay!
Wide body. What even
what are
which one
these?
even is that? Might be your gas
No,
cap.
this is for this side.
That's definitely for the gas
Yeah,
cap
it's for that
side.
But oops.
Just smack the out of the car with it.
What are these? They're like little spider thingies. I don't
Is
know.
it spider webbed?
Correct.
Oh, it is.
Oh my god.
It's all spider webbed.
Yeah, it came like that, and I was like, the wrap will cover it regardless.
It doesn't go all the way through, but it's cracked.
That's what I'm saying.
How's that one look?
This one looks fine. There's not really. There's a couple cracks.
A little, couple little scratches on it. Otherwise, it's.
Customer service. I don't want to see that. Please burn it.
Let's see. Let's see. I want to
burn
see the
it.
total on this thing.
Please burn it.
Oh, it literally doesn't have an order.
Does it not even
It just
say
says
the?
what she ordered.
Oh, it literally doesn't even say.
It just says
Dang,
what you
just as
ordered.
It
quantity.
was like 2.8 after like everything was after taxes. Dude, shipping was like $400, and I was like,
Yeah, they f***ing get you on shipping.
This one's bigger than that one.
It's okay. It should be
So yeah,
fine.
no, everything's fine. It's
We'll just,
past it.
if we have to sand it down a little bit on the edges, that's fine. Because some of the people did.
Oh, you can. I
Yeah.
can see
There's
that.
a little bit.
Yeah, we may have to sand it a little bit.
it's coming off. Oh, that came on the car.
Dang.
Yeah, that did. It came all f***ed up like that too.
Reminds me of someone else's Subaru. I've been stabbed.
It's like, that would be lining up. That don't look right.
That doesn't.
That still doesn't look right.
That part next to your thumb needs to like.
That's what I'm saying.
Try swapping.
Yeah, because this one isn't lining up at all.
Oh no, it wouldn't work.
No.
Yeah, that's
They're directional.
they're directional.
Oh,
Yeah.
are they
Front
directional?
half is the door half.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But see how this like isn't lining up at all.
Well,
These are
darn.
body lines.
Yeah, and like look at the gap here.
And fiberglass can't bend like that
No.
for that snapping.
But then there's
Even
this.
so, that's the farthest we can go to the side. Can't go any farther past this, otherwise we're gonna interfere with the gas cap.
Which, I mean, that's fine.
It does. Look at it. It's like, it kind of does. Yeah.
I mean, it's not horrible.
Can probably make it work. Measure 70 times, cut once. Twice or like 7 times.
One of the videos that people had of installing this, the dude drilled like 6 different holes into his fender, and I was like,
Oh, it was
Girl.
bad.
Yeah, I could never.
My name's Logan. I think this is a bad idea. I agree. It's okay, though.
This is a bad idea. You know,
Attitude, this could total a car.
theoretically, we're cutting up the fenders. This will total the car. This is how we're gonna mark everything up. Yeah.
I should just like, guys, it's mastery
What off-brand smash tape is this?
I don't know, but it f***ing sucks.
See, I'd do that, but my parents would.
I'm on my mom's Costco. Me too. I know we're saving ours. We're trying to admire my little pastel.
Why? You know, guys?
Why?
Oh, I guess that was me.
Exactly. Trevor, do you know?
We're remocking up this one because somebody tripped over the corner and knocked it all off.
Not me.
Look at that. We'll probably take this off and try this again. Just kind of start getting to taking this. Ah, shit.
Just gotta trim that. I think that's the only thing we can do there. Just trim.
So yeah, we can shave a little bit out of here. So we probably gotta mark that with like do we have like a white paint pen or something that we can mark that up with? Oh damn!
Or even a Sharpie.
Hold on, I got this.
Sharpie comes out purple on the gloss.
How long do we think this is gonna take?
This is gonna be a while.
We might be here all night. Not my quarter panels.
And then if we walk back here, we got this one gently mocked up. This one is definitely going to be the problem corner, we've noticed.
Is terrible. There's not a single piece on this body kit that was casted right. Everything was casted wrong.
Alright, so what we're doing is we're taking swaths out of this to try and make it a little bit sharper. Where were you saying from, Austin? I think he said like right about here.
So
And then just
okay.
let's gently take swaths out of there.
Down in here,
Yeah.
then more like
So
less
we got
right here.
the headlight.
Like you're gonna want that like pretty.
I don't think he had a Dremel.
Yeah, I think that's as good as we're gonna get.
Good. That's good.
I mean, to be fair, we're not a bot.
We definitely helped it. It looks better than it did.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's
That's lining up perfectly
flush.
right there. Yeah.
tape.
Oh! We need to get you to. Do we have another Sharpie by chance?
It's not the Sharpie. It's not fucking good
Alright, so this is that rear passenger quarter panel with the gas door. And the problem we're running into is that this part that he's marking up right now is pressing right up against the body, so we're struggling to get it to set correctly. So we're gonna take this and grind it way down, where you can see right there that it's contacting the bumper, I say bumper, the quarter panel. It's hitting that quarter panel, not really allowing us to press it down fully. So we're gonna take swaths out of it and then check it every once in a while to make sure that it fits on there a little bit better. So we still need to take more out of there.
Fiberglass don't bend like that. Like that's my.
Yeah, I think.
This is too f***ing straight.
Alright, so we did the Instagram sticker. He just did that. That does look really good. I do like that.
We have one for each side, too.
Yeah.
Is it like that on the other side?
Well, it's going to be reversed on this side. Got that professional grade. I do like that. That looks good. There's definitely a lot of little bubbles in it, though. But that's okay.
Yeah, I kind of forgot to wipe this one down. My fault. Oh well.
We won't tell her that. She'll just have to watch the video to find it out. So that corner, yeah.
It is.
Yeah, is it
it's
to,
right
like, that
there. It's
corner?
that ridge. There's like a ridge right there.
Yeah. Just gotta get rid of that.
Oh wow, you can
Entire
even see
fucking front,
it on camera better than you
There's
can
a
in
ridge.
person.
Yeah, we need to knock that down.
It's here.
So just a little bit more off of there.
Oh, it's like that. It's like this corner. Bet you if I just take this bit out, a little bit of
Try it.
Yeah.
No, that's
Is that good?
perfect.
Maybe we'll just do it right there. then.
Whatever you just did was perfect.
Really?
Hold on, let me get another thing of tape. I know, Trevor, I know. Tape.
I'm just trying to.
Oh. Right here. Hold on. What do we have doing? What are we doing right now? Right here.
I'm just pushing it down right now.
So right where we have it right now is what we need. Because it sets nice. All right, quick overview what we're doing now. We've got this, we got the passenger, more frontal piece off. So we're gonna take this bracket, the top of it, we're gonna take a little bit off just so that it sets a little bit more flush. There's a frog?
Oh, there is.
Oh my God.
It's a toad.
Come here, friend. I love you. I love frogs.
What is this?
If he's out here, probably.
Is that the inside of a cat?
Probably.
There was a frog,
There's a frog.
and I love him. Come here.
It's so small.
I have a frog. Hi there, friend.
Yeah. Did you see the one meme? It was he just kept pulling frogs out of his pocket.
Yes.
Like 23 of them.
You're adorable, and I love you. Okay, I'll let you go now. Here you go.
Leaf.
Onto the leaf. We're grinding out the rest of this, trying to get it all touched up the rest of the way. This one, pretty much ready to screw. Those back ones, we're gonna have to touch up a little bit. And he's touching up that front panel, getting ready to, we're gonna screw this one probably here next hour. And then we've already touched up this side. So this side, right, this passenger side is ready for drilling, right? Should be, yeah. So yeah, passenger side is ready for drilling, at least in the front. The rear is another story. We're still kind of contending with it a little bit, but we'll figure it out here when we start to drill.
Yeah, like this one. And then maybe like one here. On the head.
Except for I want it.
That's a good one there. All right, so a little update. We got the rest of these in. This one's giving us a little bit of a hard time. Hey, it's been another day. We've got the back almost fully mocked up, so that's kind of ready. The front, we found that we kind of misdrilled it, so we've re-drilled it, re-riveted it, and then we're gonna fix these holes later on. But we're currently remocking up this front quarter, and then we've got this side fully done. This side was good. This bottom half is bolted on, and then this top half is actively getting bolts as we speak.
You're doing something, guys.
It's not cross-threading
I don't know.
Looks so sexy. Oh my god. I'm gonna cream.
This fender is bolted in.
I know the 65.
That bitch is definitely
Hey, for future
on there.
reference, if anyone's doing this, remember, kids, don't fucking do the bolt down here because they almost ripped my door panel off.
No, we almost would have. We would have
Oh
broke.
yeah, you would have cracked the entire.
No,
You would have opened the door, and it would have been bolted into right here, so this entire thing would have just cracked.
Yeah, so this whole
Ew.
piece would have exploded. It just hit 10 o'clock. So yeah, probably not cutting tonight.
Guys, we're making our own custom washers. You want to know what they are? Sink grogs.
We got this one taped on and in like a generalized place right now because we're not 100% sure. But we're going to get this one settled in once we stop having a seizure.
Dude, these are goggles.
Welding.
Tape, man. It's gonna be death of me.
No way you just got that entire strip to come off like that.
Plastic. There we go.
The wide body kit is on. We're gonna cut now. We'll just do a little more touch-up things, boring stuff like putting door panels back in and shit. Nothing you guys are really interested in. In the end, the kit does look really good. We're definitely happy with how it came out, and we're excited for the next phase of the car.